that with the virus so rampant, contact tracing is proving very difficult. So enter a solution to tracking and prevention, and it revolves around your toilet. New at 10, News 4's Ashley Lincoln explaining how scientists are flushing out the virus. Ashley?
That's right, Corey. We're finding that this all has to do with the wastewater. We found out that MSD is actually providing wastewater samples to the state. Here is a look at some of that data. According to one of their graphs, you can see the amount of COVID detected in the wastewater just shooting up since October. Now, experts say that this data is a clear reflection of the volume of COVID cases that are out there circulating. Sampling and testing wastewater.
A lot of times it mirrors what is going on in the world.
Is what Missouri epidemiologists are handling right now. Their testing is finding more by the day. The state is flushed with coronavirus cases.
And we're learning new things about it every month.
We found the state has been working to detect coronavirus volumes in wastewater since May. The samples are provided by MSD from their 7 wastewater treatment plants across the city and county.
So we don't have any plans on stopping anytime soon.
The state says they can detect the virus in human feces before symptoms appear.
The spike in the wastewater actually precedes a spike in clinically reported cases by somewhere around 4 to 10 days.
Jennings Heisner represents private lab company BioBot.
We've tested in more locations in the United States.
The wastewater testing company is also working in Missouri to trace the virus. They're focused on 3 cities, but due to confidentiality, they cannot tell us what those cities are. But Heisner says they're getting very clear indications of how bad the infections are in the Show Me state.
It really gives you, upwards of a week of advance notice of what is to come. It can show that it can be a definite help within the public health space.
We asked the state of Missouri what they're seeing. Numbers show a steep increase in cases at the end of October at MSD's Missouri plant, and this pattern repeated at all 7 plants. But the worst cases are coming from the Fenton plant in South City and the Bissell Point plant in North City. Health officials in other states have used wastewater data to increase mobile testing and determine stay-at-home orders. Missouri hopes to use the data to try and cut off the virus from spreading.
Perhaps this could be a way to get in there and see cases prior to seeing human cases.
And the state is able to conduct this type of testing through federal grant money through the CARES Act. Now they tell us that this money will expire by June of next year. However, they do say they plan to extend that so that they can continue to do this type of testing. In downtown, Ashley Lincoln, News 4.
I want to take a quick break from our coronavirus coverage to focus